Here we go.
It's the place fun never ends. Take your pick and click. Ned and Friends.
Welcome to Ned Shorts!
Welcome to Kooky Crafts. My name is Tabitha, and today I'm going to show you how to tie-dye a t-shirt using all natural dye. Which reminds me of the first time I actually created a tie-dye t-shirt at a summer camp. What's cool about this craft is that not only having fun while making it, but you can also wear your creation, which is way better. The ingredients and tools you'll need to get started are 2 medium-sized pots, a strainer, a medium-sized bowl or enough space to fit your t-shirt, a spoon, measuring cups, rubber bands, your plain white t-shirt, water, the stovetop along with some adult help, the ingredient that will be used as the natural dye, and a fixative. Oh yes! A fixative is a water-based mixture that you will let your t-shirt simmer in for about an hour. This will then allow the dye to fix into the fibers of the shirt so that it won't wash out. What a great question, Ed! Thanks for asking! Awesome! Now that we have all of our ingredients, it's time for some tie-dye. The first step we need to do is to prepare our natural dye. Now there are a lot of different ingredients you can use to get a different colored dye. Some of these ingredients you may already have in your house. For example, beets create a reddish dye, carrots and onion skins make an orange dye, turmeric is a great one for yellow, spinach is a good one for a green dye, and for today's video we will be using blueberries, which make a nice light purple dye. So you go ahead and smash these berries up. If you feel like you're gonna get messy, use an apron or something you're okay to get messy with. So you're gonna wanna take your mashed berries, measure them into one of your pots here. With the help of an adult, you'll bring the mixture to a boil and let it simmer covered for 1 hour. Once it's done and has cooled off, strain the mixture and keep the liquid dye. If you want an even stronger dye, after it's finished simmering on the stovetop, you can let the berry mixture soak overnight to get a more concentrated solution, and then you can strain the mixture. Step 2 is the funnest part, designing your t-shirt. Now this is where you can have your imagination run wild and come up with cool and kooky designs. Today I will be making the spiral design. For the spiral design, you want to determine your center and spin your shirt until there's no more material left. Then you want to grab your rubber bands and rubber band your t-shirt nice and tight. There it is. Step 3 is preparing the fixative. Now the type of fixative we use will depend on the type of ingredient we use for our dye. If you use a plant or vegetable based dye, your fixative will be vinegar based. If you use a berry based dye, your fixative will be salt based. Now since I use blueberries, I'm going to go ahead and make my salt fixative. To prepare your salt fixative, you need to add half a cup of salt and 8 cups of water. Again, with an adult helping, bring this mixture to a boil and let your t-shirt simmer in the mixture for 1 hour. When the t-shirt is ready, take it out and rinse it under cold water. The last step is placing your t-shirt in the dye until it's reached the shade you want. And remember, the color will lighten up a bit once the t-shirt dries. When you are ready to take it out, rinse your shirt with cool water separately until the water runs clear. Remove the rubber bands and let your t-shirt completely dry. Hey Ned, you ready to show them our tie-dye shirts? All right. Ned, these look amazing! Well, that was fun. Feel free to check out the description box below for today's recipe so you can make your own tie-dye t-shirt at home. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks so much for hanging out with us here at Kooky Crafts. And remember, kindness rocks.